Shillong Lajong FC staged a remarkable comeback to defeat Mawlai SC 2-1 in the OC Blue Shillong Premier League 2024 final, securing their fifth title. Abi Chetri and Sam Shaprang Lato scored for Lajong, while Daman Bhalang Khain scored a late penalty for Mawlai. Despite finishing level on points, Lajong's superior head-to-head record and goal difference earned them the title. The chief guest, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Shakliar Warjri, presented the trophies and cheques. The minister officially closed the 2024 season by lowering the SSA flag.
Ayo begitu rentar lang ketika Janmi nak kebentar ketika Shillong Premier League season 24-25. Naik ke play bro aku di team kata ka Mawlai berkunjung ke Shillong Lajong. Di nakalian Lajong haru nganu sumtan ni ketua ngani di paiba kita kami Islam di masuai tang kita di Philippine Kickbox menyo man congratulate nak kebentar ke Shillong Lajong. Kawayo ia kabakan ra ia kanam job jong gani ka Shillong Premier League 24-25. Kita ini kintin kemudian nak beli paro di dekat Shillong Sports Association buat kunjung ia di official serta pasport. Kita ini kintin kemudian